Hello everyone. So it is the part 2 of our Indian Evidence Act MCQ video. So let's start with question number 26. Which of the following statements is correct in relation to Evidence Act? Option A. Sir H.S. Main prepared the draft bill of the Act. Option B. Sir James Stephen prepared the draft bill of the Act. Option C. The draft bill of the Act was prepared by Second Law Commission. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer to this question is option B. Question number 27. In relation to the expressions defined in Section 3 of the Act, which of the following statement is not correct? Option A. Court includes not only physical facts but also psychological facts. Option B. Court includes arbitrators. Option C. An inscription on a stone is a document. Option D. A fact is said to be not proved when it is neither proved nor disapproved. Answer to question number 27 is option B, that is court includes arbitrators. Question number 28. Which one of the following is not a judicial proceeding? Option A, hearing by a judge. Option B, hearing by a person who is authorized to take evidence. Option C, hearing before an arbitrator. Option D, hearing by a magistrate. The correct answer to this question is option C, hearing before an arbitrator. Question number 29. Which of the following can be considered in evidence in any suit or proceeding under Indian Evidence Act? Option A, only fact and issue. Option B, only relevant fact. Option C, facts in issue and relevant fact. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer to question number 29 is option C, facts in issue and relevant fact. Question number 30. Evidence may be given of facts. Option A, which are facts in issue. Option B, which are relevant facts. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer to question number 30 is both A and B. Question number 31. Any such fact which possesses probative force is called evidence. This definition belongs to option A, Salmon. Option B, Stephen. Option C, Pifson. Option D, Bentham. The correct answer to question number 31 is option A, Salmond. Question number 32. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Evidence under Evidence Act means and includes 1. Oral evidence. 2. All documents except electronic records. 3. All documents including electronic record. The correct answer to this question is in the quotes given below. Option A, 1, 2 and 3. Option B, 1 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1 and 3 only. The correct answer to question number 32 is option D, 1 and 3 only. Question number 33. Under the Indian Evidence Act 1872, what is not evidence in the following? A. Personal knowledge or observation of a judge about the case during hearing. Option B, statement of a dumb witness. Option C, documents produced for the inspection of the court. Option D, electronic CD. The correct answer to question number 33 is option A, that is personal knowledge or observation of a judge about the case during hearing is not an evidence. Question number 34. Evidence means and include option A, ocular evidence only. Option B, documentary evidence only. Option C, ocular and documentary evidence both. Option D, ocular evidence based on documents only. The correct answer to question number 34 is option C, that is ocular and documentary evidence both. Question number 35. Proof is a result of option A, inquiry. Option B, evidence. Option C, investigation. Option D, statement. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is proof is the result of evidence. Question number 36. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Option A, that a man heard or said something is a fact. A map or plan is a document. Copies made from or compared with the original is an evidence. Facts connected to a fact and issue in such a rule nisi manner as to constitute part of same transaction. So the correct answer to question number 36 is option D, that is facts connected to a fact and issue in such a rule nisi manner as to constitute part of same transaction. So this is incorrectly matched, as here it would have been rest guest day. Then it would have been the correct option. Moving forward to question number 37. Which one of the following does not come within the meaning of a document under Indian Evidence Act? Option A, a writing. Option B, a map. Option C, a telephonic talk. Option D, a word photographed. The correct answer to question number 37 is option C, a telephonic talk does not come under the purview of a document. Question number 38. A reputation of a person is option A, a fact. Option B, a subject. Option C, an opinion. Option D, evidence. The correct answer to question number 38 is a fact. Question number 39. Whether a weapon is a deadly weapon is a question of option A, law. Option B, fact. Option C, opinion of the expert witness. Option D, opinion of the judge. So the correct answer to question number 39 is option B, that is, weapon is a deadly weapon or not is a question of fact. Question number 40. In the law of evidence, fact means and includes option A, anything perceived by the senses. Option B, state of things capable of being perceived by the senses. Option C, mental conditions of which a person is conscious. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer to question number 40 is option D, all of the above. Question number 41. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A, that a man heard or saw something is a fact. Option B, that a man said certain word is a fact. Option C, that a man has a certain reputation is not a fact. Option D, that a man holds a certain opinion is a fact. So question number 41. For question number 41, option C is the correct answer. That is, a man has a certain reputation is not a fact. So this is the wrong statement. Rest option A, B and D are the correct ones. Question number 42. Anything, state of things or relation of things capable of being perceived by the senses is option A, evidence. Option B, fact. Option C, facts and issue. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer to question number 42 is option B, fact. Question number 43. Which of the following qualifies to be treated as fact within the meaning assigned to it under Evidence Act? Option A, that a man heard or saw something. Option B, that a man holds a certain opinion. Option C, that a man acts in good faith. And option D, all of these. So the correct answer to question number 43 is option D, all of these. Question number 44. Which of the following is incorrect under Evidence Act? Option A. In a case where A is charged with receiving a particular stolen wristwatch, knowing the same to be stolen, the fact that at the same time he has in possession of other such stolen articles is relevant. Option B. In a case where A is tried for the murder of B by intentionally shooting him to death, the fact that A was in habit of shooting at people with intent to murder them is relevant. Option C. In a case where A is sued for damages for bite injury caused by his dog to B, A having known the dog to be ferocious, the fact that dog had previously bitten XYZ is relevant. Option D. In a case where A is accused of defaming B by publishing an imputation intended to harm the reputation of B, the fact of previous publications by A respecting B showing ill will on the part of A towards B is relevant. So we need to find the incorrect one among these four statements. So the incorrect statement in question number 44 is option B. That is, in a case where A is tried for the murder of B by intentionally shooting him to death, the fact that A was in habit of shooting at people with intent to murder them is relevant. So this is the incorrect one. Next, question number 45. Which one of the following is a fact? Option A, Hari said. Option B, Ram told a lie. Option C, Mohan saw. D, all of these. So the correct answer to question number 45 is option D, all of the above. Question number 46. In relation to expressions defined in Section 3 of Indian Evidence Act, which of the following statement is or are correct? Option A. Facts includes not only physical facts but also psychological facts. Option B. An inscription on a stone is a document. Option C. A fact is said to be not proved when it is neither proved nor disapproved. Option D. All are correct. So the correct answer to question number 46 is option D. That is all are correct. Question number 47. That there are certain objects arranged in a certain order in a certain place is option A. A fact. Option B. An opinion. Option C. A document. Option D. A motive. The correct answer to question number 47 is option A. A fact. Question number 48. Fact in issue means A. Fact existence or non-existence of which is admitted by the parties. B. Fact existence or non-existence of which is disputed by the parties. Option C. Fact existence or non-existence of which is not disputed by the parties. And option D. All of the above. So the correct answer to question number 48 is option B. That is, fact in issue means fact existence or non-existence of which is disputed by the parties. Question number 49. A is tried for the murder of B by beating with a club with the intention of causing his death. At A's trial, which one of the following is not fact in issue? Option A. A is beating B with the club. B. A is conversation with C. C. A is causing B's death with the club. D. A is intention to cause B's death. The correct answer to question number 49 is option B. That is, A is conversation with C. Question number 50. C is employed as cashier by a firm to receive money at its sale counter. It is his duty to make entries in the ledger showing the amount received by him. He is prosecuted on the charge of criminal breach of trust in respect of rupees 90,000 on the basis of evidence showing he made an entry showing that he had received rupees 10,000 only, whereas he had actually received rupees 1 lakh. Now, C has taken the plea that the wrong entry was accidental and unintentional. The fact that other entries made in the same ledger are false, each showing receipt of less amount by C, is option A. Relevant as it has a bearing on the question of intention. B. Not relevant as the other entries are not basis of charge. Option C. Not relevant as evidence is extraneous. And option D. Not relevant as other entries are not an issue. So the correct answer to question number 50 is relevant as it has a bearing on the question of intention.